Hi, today let's make Bangalore's famous street style masala puri. In a blender, we need to add in chilies, garlic, ginger, mint leaves, and then I'm adding in some onions along with some coriander leaves. Now, little basic spices like turmeric powder. Next, I'm adding in some garam masala powder, then coriander powder, a little bit of salt and little water. Blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now, in a cooker, add in oil, then add in some bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, along with some cardamom and cloves, and then give it a good mix. When this whole garam masala's flavors is infused in the oil, add in the green masala paste which we have blended, and add in a little bit of water. Give it a good mix. Next, I'm adding in some salt to taste. I'm adding in some chopped potatoes and then soaked green peas. Now, if this is done, then your basic heart or the base of the masala puri is ready. Give it a good stir and give 8 whistles, and your masala is ready. This is how it needs to be. If it is, just give it one mash and then keep it aside. Now, in a plate, add in these puris. It's easily available. Otherwise, you get like papad kind, which you can fry it at home. Then add in this masala, which is the heart of our masala puri, and then add in some basic spices like here I've added in some chaat masala, some garam masala powder, along with some grated carrot. I've added in salt as well, tomatoes, chopped onions, and then sprinkle in some save. And your tasty Bangalore street style chaat masala puri is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.